welcomes you all to Twin Cooking. So Twin Ravi, what are we making today? We are gonna make Manchow soup. So friends, let's have a look what we need for it.
25 grams of butter, 1 cup chopped mushroom, 1 cup carrot, 1 cup capsicum, cabbage, green onions, green chili, some garlic pieces, fried noodles, cornflour and black pepper.
So Ravli, I think we know all the ingredients, so I think we should start. Yeah, sure, why not?
First of all, we have to take a pan and put it on the stove. Turn on the flame. Put the butter until melting of it. When it has melted, add carrots to it. Stir it in. Then add mushrooms. Then we have to add capsicum and mix it well. Add cabbage. Make sure we have to stir it nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, add 7 cups of water. We are preparing 5 to 6 cups of soup. And you can add as much additional vegetables as much you want. Now after adding water, set the flame on high. It's time to make the main ingredient of our recipe. So we have to grind 8 to 10 pieces of garlic and 2 pieces of green chili, 80 ml of water. Grind until it becomes a paste. Now our mixture is ready. Add the mixture into the boiling soup. Then put 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of black pepper, and mix it well. After that, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and mix it for some time. Then add 3 tablespoons of soya sauce. Now, for making our soup thick, we are adding mixture of 3 tablespoons of cornflour and 3 teaspoons of water. We have to mix it nicely. Add this mixture slowly. After 2 to 3 minutes, when the thickness has appeared, turn off the flame. Now our soup is ready. Serve it into a bowl. And garnish it with coriander leaves and some crushed fried noodles. Enjoy it with your family and friends. Happy eating!
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please like our video and share it with your friends and family. And also comment down below what you want us to make for the next time. And please subscribe our channel. Till then, Sat Shri Akal.